Oh. Ah.
Making wax seals? Don't let these beginner mistakes ruin your project. Let's fix them. Cracked wax. Cracked wax usually means that the wax was too cold or too brittle. Warm your spoon a little bit longer before pouring and use flexible sealing wax. Air bubbles. Bubbles happen when you stir too much or hold the spoon too close to the flame. To fix, melt the wax slowly a few inches above the flame. Let it melt on its own and tap the spoon lightly before you pour. If the seal sticks to the stamp, the wax is probably too hot or the stamp too cold. Not enough wax? There's an easy fix. Just use some more wax beads for a standard size seal. Seal off center. If your seal's off center, press straight down, firm and even, then leave it. Don't twist or shift the stamp. Make sure you do it in the middle. Wax is too thin. If the wax looks too thin, it may be too hot when you stamped, or even it slipped. Let the wax sit for a few seconds before pressing the stamp down.
So that one's thicker.
Seal sticking to the silicone surface. If the seal sticks to the silicone mat, you lifted it too soon. Leave the stamp in place a little bit longer so the wax sets fully.
If something does go wrong, it's fine. You can always just trim it up and put it back in your pot to melt again.
With a little practice and these quick fixes, your wax seals will look amazing every time. Please let us know in the comments section below if this video has helped any of your problems you were having and if you have any more.
This one's got glitter in. This one's really cute. Glittery.
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.